Hey, Justin here from KneeRover.com, and today we're going to assemble your new KneeRover Walk Assist. Alright, so before we get started, let's go through what comes in your assembly packet. You'll have your knee pad locking pin, your height adjustment knob, a small Allen wrench, a regular wrench, small bolt, and your basket bracket. So your first step is to assemble the steering column. What we're going to do is just fold this up, pull this quick release lever over, lock it into place. And you're going to take this lever, rotate it upwards into that groove, and then clamp it down. This steering column is a little loose, so we're going to tighten it up. You're just going to open it up, twist it to the right, a whole turn, and then pull it back up into the groove and clamp it down. All right, so the next step is going to be to install your handlebars. What we're going to do is just drop them in the lower column right here like this. We're going to set your desired height. Take your height adjustment knob, put it in the hole here, and then we're going to screw it into this welded on nut on the opposite side. The next step is to put the basket on. In order to do that, first we're going to have to put the bracket on. So you're going to take your bracket, make sure that the holes, the round holes, are pointed upwards. There's two little round holes here. And you're going to take your bolt and your washer, put them in right here like this, and then you're going to start screwing it in. Just make sure you get it all the way screwed in. Then we're going to take the Allen wrench and we're going to tighten it up. Make sure it's really good and snug. That keeps your basket from sliding down. All right, so once you get the bracket on, then we're going to take the frame for the bag. We're going to put those round holes into the round holes we talked about earlier. And then we're just going to work it down. All right, so you're going to take the bag, make sure that the insert that goes in it is in properly in the bottom there. And then we're going to take the Velcro on the back, open it up, put it around, and Velcro it on. We're going to do the same thing on this side. And then on the sides. And finally the front. All right, so we're going to move the scooter over to the side here. And then we're going to work on putting the seat and post together. All right, so you're going to take your seat post with the tapered end. You're going to drop it in the hole. Paying attention to these holes on the side, make sure that they're pointed out to the side. Then we're going to take our wrench and we're going to tighten it up. On the right side, turning the nut to the right. And then we have to come over to the other side and make sure that this side's also snug. So once you get the seat assembled, you're going to drop it into the tube here. Find your desired height. Then you're going to line this pin up with the hole, pull it around, and clamp it on the other side. Then you're going to take the quick release lever, and then you're going to latch it around on that side also. If it's a little loose, you may need to open it back up and then adjust it. Over here on the opposite side, there's a nut, and you're just going to tighten this up and then reclamp it. All right, so now that we got the seat installed, you see this one is a little angled up. You may prefer that, or you may want it angled down. In order to do that, you're just going to take and loosen the nuts that we just tightened up during the seat assembly process. You're just going to loosen these up and then change the angle. Once you get your desired angle, then you're just going to tighten it back up. Make sure that you get these bolts super tight. So that concludes the assembly of your new KneeRover Walk Assist. If you have further questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to us at 877-737-9877, or you can email us at help@kneerover.com. Thanks for choosing KneeRover.